Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. In today's video guys, I'm going to be showing you how to make my all-time spicy beef wrap. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. The first ingredient we're gonna prep is the yellow corn tortillas. First, we're gonna use a large skillet, add oil, then set the burner on high and wait until the oil begins to boil. Next, we're gonna add the corn tortillas to the pan, submerge it in the oil using tongs. Then we're gonna cook the yellow tortillas 2 to 3 seconds on each side in a total of 30 to 60 seconds. Remove the corn tortillas and place them on a plate lined with paper towels. Continue to cook the remaining tortillas until they are all used up. Now the tortillas are done, we're gonna set them aside and move on now to work on the ground beef. Heat a large skillet over medium-high heat, add the meat to the hot pan, then crumble the ground beef straight into the pan with a wooden spoon while it cooks. Browning a pound of ground beef takes approximately 7 to 10 minutes. How is everyone doing, guys? Are you enjoying the video so far? If you do, give it a like. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Next, move the ground beef to one side, add onions and serrano peppers and mix well. Mix everything together. As you can see, the meat is at 85% cooked. Now we're gonna cook the onions for 2 more minutes. Now it's time to add our seasonings. In goes black pepper and garlic seasoning, chili powder and salt. We're gonna stir everything together. Do not overcook the onions. We want them to be on the crunchy side. So we're gonna go ahead and cook this for 1 minute. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that every time I upload a new video, you get notified. Cook the ground beef until all the juices are dried up. The meat looks good now, guys. We're gonna go ahead and place 12 slices of pepper jack cheese on top. I love cheese, guys. How about you guys? We're gonna let the cheese melt, then we're gonna stir everything together. Our mixture looks good. Now we're gonna go ahead and work on our salsa. And for the salsa, we are going to use diced roma tomatoes and pineapple salsa. This is a store-bought pineapple salsa. We're gonna mix everything together. Next, chop cilantro, add it to the salsa and mix well. Everything is ready now. It's time to assemble our spicy beef wrap. Here I have flour tortilla. We're gonna go ahead and sprinkle some cheese and top with ground beef. Next, we're gonna follow with tomato pineapple salsa, then top with corn tortilla and more cheese. Now fold 2 opposite edges towards center over filling, then roll up open end of tortilla towards opposite edge and seal. Continue the same process with the remaining ingredients. Next, we are going to crisp in a hot pan with a tablespoon of oil. Cook for 1 minute, then flip it and cook it for another 1 minute. And also you have to crisp the sides too, which should take between 30 seconds to 45 seconds. The spicy beef wraps are done, guys. I'm gonna place them on the cutting board. Let me open one and show you how they look. They look amazing and taste amazing too. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like. Thanks for watching. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my honey.